Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support how you can achieve millionaire status by 2026. A personal journey reaching millionaire status within a few years may seem like a daunting goal, but it's entirely possible with the right strategies, mindset, and consistent effort. My personal journey to achieving this milestone wasn't easy, but it was worth it. In this article, I'll break down the actionable steps that helped me grow wealth, all of which you can apply to your own financial journey. Define your vision and set a timeline. The first step is clarity. In 2021, I set a clear goal to reach $1 million in net worth by 2026. Breaking this goal into smaller, manageable milestones kept me motivated. 1. Year 1. Build high-income skills. 2. Year 2. Create and scale multiple income streams. 3. Years 3-5. Invest aggressively and scale businesses. Define your vision with a specific timeline and break it down into achievable yearly goals. Cultivate a wealth-building mindset. Before I could grow wealth, I had to shift my mindset. I stopped thinking about money as a limited resource and began seeing it as something I could create through strategic action. Reading books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley helped reframe my thinking. Your mindset is the foundation. Invest in personal development and eliminate limiting beliefs about money. Master a high-income skill. The quickest way to increase your earning potential is by developing a skill that pays well. I focused on digital marketing and e-commerce, which allowed me to earn substantial income through freelancing and launching my own online stores. 1. Examples of high-income skills include coding, sales, content creation, and consulting. 2. Invest in online courses, certifications, or mentorship programs. Identify a skill that aligns with your interests and is in demand. 2. Commit to mastering it. Build and scale multiple income streams. Relying on a single income stream is risky. I diversified my income by creating multiple streams, such as 1. E-commerce. Selling private label products on Amazon and Shopify. 2. Freelancing. Offering digital marketing services. 3. Investments. Allocating savings to ETFs, dividend stocks, and real estate. These streams not only brought stability but also accelerated my wealth-building process. Diversify your income. Start small and focus on scaling one stream before adding another. Focus on strategic investments. Investing was a key driver of my journey. I dedicated a significant portion of my income to investments that aligned with my risk tolerance and financial goals. My strategy included 1. Index funds and ETFs. Low-cost options like VU and QQQM. 2. Dividend stocks. To generate passive income. 3. Real estate. Investing in REITs and exploring rental properties. Learn the basics of investing. Use platforms like Wealthsimple, Robinhood, or Vanguard to start building your portfolio. Practice aggressive saving and smart spending. A big part of growing wealth is managing expenses. I adopted a minimalist lifestyle, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and allocating 50% of my income towards savings and investments. 1. Budgeting tools. Apps like Mint and YNAB help me track expenses. 2. Automated savings. I set up automatic transfers to investment accounts. Live below your means. Save aggressively and invest consistently. Leverage the power of networking. Success doesn't happen in isolation. Joining mastermind groups, attending industry events, and seeking mentorship from successful individuals helped me gain insights and opportunities. 1. Mentors guided me through challenges and provided valuable feedback. 2. Networking opened doors to partnerships and investment deals. Build relationships with like-minded people who inspire and support your goals. Take calculated risks. To grow quickly, I had to take calculated risks. This included launching a new product line on Amazon and investing in growth stocks during market dips. While not every decision paid off, the lessons learned were invaluable. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone. Assess risks carefully but don't let fear hold you back. Stay disciplined and consistent. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. I remained disciplined in tracking my progress, reinvesting profits, and avoiding lifestyle inflation as my income grew. 1. Regularly review your financial goals. 2. Avoid distractions and focus on long-term rewards. Consistency is key. Stay committed to your plan even when progress feels slow. Give back. As I reached financial milestones, I made it a point to give back. Donating to causes I cared about and helping others on their journeys added meaning to my success. Wealth isn't just about accumulation. Use your resources to make a positive impact. Conclusion. Your millionaire journey starts today. Achieving millionaire status by 2026 is possible with a clear plan, relentless effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. My journey wasn't perfect, but every mistake taught me something valuable. Actionable steps. 1. Define your vision and set clear goals. 2. Develop high-income skills. 3. Diversify and scale income streams. 4. Invest consistently and aggressively. 5. Stay disciplined and adaptable. 6. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.